Hello there, and I just want to view my laptop onto my TV, the HDTV that's in my living room, and I want to do this just to show it really to Alan, because I'm going to view Alan's video on my own HDTV in my living room. Alan is of course Lando, as you remember from the Lando show on YouTube. So here it goes, yes. This is my laptop right here. And here's the TV. Pretty neat, isn't it? It's due to that wire that I plugged into the laptop into my TV. I forgot what it's called, but I bought it at I think Walmart. Yeah, it was Walmart. Not Radio Shack. Alright, let's just view Alan's channel. Let's see which video, maybe the newest one. Yeah. Yeah. From hail to the hail. As you might tell, I don't have an audio wire, so the audio is coming from the laptop, not my TV.
What the hell, breakout? Look.
Yes, Alan, you're on my TV right now. You're a TV star. Congratulations.
I don't know. Looks like marble size. Look at this shit.
Too bad the video's too dark, so you can't really see it, but it's alright.
That's not enough to jam into some cars. Here, let me put this shit inside.
I never would expect to see some hail in Louisiana, of all things, since it's always so warm down there now, as you can say, having the AC on all the time.
Get this inside the damn fridge in time. Like that. This sucks.
Guess it does suck. I guess you need to paint the porch though, as you told me. And yeah, that was a short vid, but just enough to make it right here for now. So, see ya. Free Bleepers signing out.